Okay, let's discuss the some of the concepts of percentage and the questions which we are finding difficult. For example, this question. The question states that a book was on sale for 40% of its original price. So 40% of its original price. Okay, if the sale price of the book is $18, what was the original price of the book? So original price is unknown. Okay, original price is unknown. So what we have to do? 40% off. So it means that if I look at it, cost price 100%, 40% off means discount, 40% is equivalent to what? Selling price. And selling price is 60%. 60% of what? It is 60% of the cost price. Okay. So the selling price is 60%. So 60% of the cost price X is equals to what? $18. This is selling price. This is selling price. So X is equals to 18 into 100 upon 60. 0 cancel. 6 times 3 and X is equals to $30. Okay. Next. Another question is a population increase in city X, it increased from by 20%. Okay, in 2015 the populations of city X and Y were equal. Okay, so 2015 populations of X equals to Y. So what has happened basically from 2010 to 2015, the population of X increased by 20%. This is X. And for Y, what has happened? It has decreased by 10%. 10%. So it says that if the population of city X population was 120,000 in 2010, what was the population of city Y in 2010? So this is a very wordy word problem, right? A lot of words, lot of things. But the main crux is this. We have to find the population of city Y in 2010. Okay, so main crux is that a population of X and Y is equal in 2015. So first things first, we are given 120K. So 120,000 in 2010 was increased by 20%. So 120 upon 100. Simple as that. 0, 0, two zeros are cancelled. So 12 times 12 is what? 144. 1, 2, 3. So 144,000, the population of city X in 2015, which is also the population of city Y. Okay, so the 2015 population of city Y is equals to 144,000. But wait a second. The question is saying that what has happened? That the population of city Y basically decreased by 10%. So 2010 population, 10 population, I am writing 2010. Okay, multiplied with 10% decrease, so 10% decrease means 90% is left, is equivalent to 144,000. Okay, 2010, or we can simply write it x, where x is denoting 2010 population. So x is equals to 144,000 into 100 upon 90, 0 0 cancel, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 48,000, 3 times, so 90 it is then, no? So if I just look at it, if I solve it, it would become 144,000 into 100 upon 90. Solving it further would give us the value. So using it and by simplification, we would be getting the value that is equivalent to 160,000. I hope you guys have understood. Let me read the question again. The question stated that in 2015 the populations of city X and city Y were equal. From 2010 to 2020, 2015 the population of city X जो है it has increased by 20%, while Y was decreased by 10%. If the population of city X was 120K in 2010, what was the population of city Y in 2010? The answer is C, that is 160.